If you've ever tried plugging your standard 3.5mm audio cable into your smartphone while it's inside a protective case, you know the struggle. The cable often won't fit, leaving you stuck without your favorite tunes. That's where this specially designed 3.5mm audio cable comes in, made to work seamlessly with most phone cases without any hassle. This cable features connectors with a unique shank design, 3mm long and 6mm in diameter. That might sound technical, but here's why it matters. The 3mm length easily reaches through the thickness of most protective cases, while the 6mm diameter is slim enough to fit into almost any headphone jack opening. No more forcing or damaging your phone or case. Gold-plated connectors add another layer of reliability. They resist corrosion, ensuring a smooth and clear audio connection every time you plug in. This means your music, podcasts, or calls come through crisp and uninterrupted, even after extended use. Each end of the cable has a 3.5mm stereo male plug, making it compatible with a wide range of devices beyond just smartphones. Whether it's your tablet, portable speaker, or car stereo, this cable fits right in, delivering consistent sound quality without compromise. What you get is a cable that simply works the way it should. No more fiddling with adapters or removing your phone case just to listen to music. It's a small upgrade that changes your daily routine, keeping your device protected and your audio experience flawless. Many users have praised this cable for its practical design and dependable performance. One reviewer who used to work in retail mentioned that all their products performed reliably, with no noticeable drop in quality. If you're not an audiophile chasing ultra-high-end sound, this cable delivers exactly what you need. The simplicity of this cable is what makes it stand out. It's built for convenience, durability, and compatibility. You don't need to spend extra on complicated adapters or worry about bulky connectors that don't fit your case's snug design. It's worth a look if you often find yourself frustrated by your current headphone cable. This product solves a common problem in a straightforward way, offering peace of mind and ease of use every time you reach for your phone. Imagine being able to connect your headphones or external speakers without removing your phone case. That small convenience means less wear and tear on your device and more time enjoying your favorite audio content without interruptions. The gold plating isn't just for show, it enhances conductivity and prevents oxidation. Over time, this keeps your connections stable and your sound quality consistent. It's a detail that makes a big difference, especially if you rely on your audio setup daily. Whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing at home, this cable adapts to your lifestyle. Its thoughtful design means it won't get stuck or cause damage, even if your case is thick or rugged. If that's you, someone who wants hassle-free audio with their smartphone case, this cable fits the bill. It's a practical, affordable solution that respects your device's protection while delivering solid performance. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your audio experience. No gimmicks, no complicated setups, just a reliable cable that fits and works. It's a small change with a noticeable impact on your daily tech use. In the end, this 3.5mm audio cable is about convenience and quality without compromise. It's designed to fit your lifestyle, protect your phone, and deliver clear sound every time you plug in. Don't let your phone case stand between you and your music. This cable bridges that gap, making your listening experience smoother and more enjoyable. Worth considering if you value ease and reliability. Remember, protecting your phone doesn't have to mean sacrificing sound quality or accessibility. This cable proves that thoughtful design can solve everyday tech frustrations simply and effectively. Whether you're a casual listener or someone who relies on their headphones daily, this cable offers a dependable connection that won't let you down. It's a smart addition to your tech gear. Check it out if you're looking for a no-fuss way to keep your phone safe and your audio clear. It's a straightforward fix for a common problem, backed by solid user feedback and practical design. In summary, this 3.5 mm cable delivers what you need: compatibility with phone cases, corrosion-resistant connectors, and dependable sound quality. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference.